All right, what up gang, it's Ollie here from The Road with Love. This is our 1986 Toyota 4Runner and I'm going to be giving you 4 essential upgrades you need to make to yours if you've just bought one of these, or even if you've owned one for a while and it's not running so good and you want to protect your asset, as these things are getting rarer to find and they're going up in value. So first one applies to the petrol version. What you're going to want to do is replace the points distributor with an electronic distributor. Now this is the electronic distributor. Now if you're lucky, maybe you've already got an electronic distributor. Essentially the points distributor spins around, tells your engine when to spark on each cylinder, but it's got a lot more moving parts than an electronics one. Basically in the cold, if going from cold to hot, especially if you're going down into like freezing temperatures, if it gets any moisture in there, you're going to have a bad time with it. The electronics distributor, you can get them for like a couple $100 on eBay. Really easy, you can chuck them in. Not a super easy job, you do need to know a little bit about your timing system and how to retime your system, but it's only 2 wires once you do have it set up and timed, and it's a cheap, easy upgrade to make your Toyota 4Runner way more reliable. It's a gimme. Okay, now second crucial upgrade is an engine guard. You can chuck this one into Google. It's an Australian made product. Essentially, it's an alarm that will go off when your engine's overheating, and it will tell you well before your dial on your dashboard tells you you're overheating. It's a pretty easy plug and play one, and another one that's only a couple $100. We've got it hooked up just near the intake manifold. This is where the engine guard sensor is sitting, and we've got it set up right next to our steering wheel and then dash, so that thing's going to beep at us when we start getting a little bit over temperature. It might also go off right after you've fueled up because your car's been sitting, it gets heat. Oh my goodness, what's it called? Heat sink. Heat, I don't know, there's a word for it. Anyways, your car will just heat up a little bit more when it's just been sitting there turned off. You can just press a button, silence it for 30 seconds. By the time you drive off, that thing's at the back of your mind. I think for a couple $100, if that, it's real easy to install yourself. It just gives you that peace of mind that you're gonna be able to pull over and save your engine before things get way worse for you. Third essential upgrade with one of these Toyota 4Runners is center seat cup holder. Now we got this one off Temu, I believe, for like $35. There's not really any good cup holders in this thing, and your arm rests are kind of a little bit weird. This thing acts as an armrest and a cup holder, and we can get them in this cool brown that matches the interior of your car. This is the cup holder, doubles as an armrest. Now for a 3.5 point essential upgrade is servicing your rear window. I've got a quick little video on that at the end of this video you can watch. Essentially take that rear panel off, lithium grease everything, clean all your contacts, all your electrical contacts, silicone and grease up the window rubbers so it slides a lot smoother. And if you find your windows being a little bit sticky, you turn the key or press the button and it sort of doesn't really want to go up or down, this will make it go up and down with ease. That was one of the first things I had to do to get that window running smoothly. Done all those things, I guess you can do some of the other things, you know, upgrade your tires, give it a little lift, but for me those 3 things were the first things I did on this thing. Okay, now the fourth one again is under the bonnet. You can replace your brake booster and brake master with a later model Toyota Hilux Surf brake booster and brake master. Now essentially what that's going to do is when you press the pedal down, you're just going to have a bit more exaggerated power to it, so your pedal feel is going to be a lot easier, you're going to brake a little bit smoother, everything's going to feel a bit nicer, and for a couple $100, I think $300 or $400, it's another really nice upgrade just to slightly modernize your old 4Runner. This is our brake booster, brake master. And this is the pipe you have to bend. You just have to re-bend this little pipe. Okay, I hope you enjoyed these tips. Let me know if you have any questions on them. I've got another video where I explain how I built the rear drawers, and I've got another video that's a full tour of this beautiful old 4Runner. This is going to be our adventure rig while we do up our much bigger project to do a full lap of Australia in. So we're pretty stoked we've got this for adventures in the meantime. Make sure you hit like if you like this video, and please do subscribe. Every little one extra subscriber means the world to me. I honestly, it makes my day. You can ask my girlfriend, I do a little happy dance. Please feel free to show your support, and hopefully I will see you out there. Bye.